Welcome to the best picks. The best Samsung dryer belt is probably one of the most overlooked components in your laundry routine, until it breaks. A worn or broken dryer belt can bring your drying cycle to a halt, leaving you with damp clothes and a frustrated mood. But don't worry, replacing your dryer belt is a straightforward task that can save you time and money compared to calling a repair service. Number 5. Azdele Samsung Dryer Repair Kit. Is your dryer making strange noises or not working properly? This kit is designed to solve those problems. It includes everything you need to get your Samsung dryer running smoothly again. This kit features high-quality rubber rollers that are strong and wear-resistant. The bearing quality is more stable and quieter than ordinary ones. The belt is also upgraded for better performance. The package includes drum rollers, an idler pulley, a dryer belt, and a tension spring. It's a comprehensive solution for common dryer issues like squeaking, failure to tumble, or not starting at all. With this kit, you can easily perform a DIY repair. It saves you the cost of a service call, potentially saving you at least $300. The installation is straightforward. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Samsung dryer models. Please check the provided list or images to ensure it fits your specific dryer model. It's designed to be a perfect replacement. Azdele, a leading manufacturer, stands behind this product with a 1-year after-sale guarantee. If you have any issues, they promise a satisfactory reply within 12 hours. You can trust the quality. What we like. This kit boasts upgraded materials for enhanced durability. It's also compatible with a wide range of Samsung dryer models, making it a versatile choice. If you're experiencing common dryer issues and prefer a cost-effective DIY solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I also used the replacement tension belt for the drum and new pulley assembly that came with this kit, and those two needed replaced due to age of parts. Kit is complete and well built. Exact replacement parts. Well built. Once the dryer is apart, you can quickly replace the rollers and tensioner. Then reassemble the rear carrier with new rollers. Install the drum with the belt. Assemble the front carrier plate with new rollers and install. Number 4. Samsung Dryer Repair Kit. Is your dryer making strange noises or not working properly? This upgraded repair kit is designed to solve those common issues. It includes everything you need to get your dryer running smoothly again. This kit is made with premium quality materials for durability and long-lasting performance. The rollers are strong and wear-resistant, ensuring the dryer operates quietly and efficiently. The belt is twice as thick as before, making it more durable. The package includes upgraded dryer drum rollers, an idler pulley, a dryer belt, and more. You can refer to the details page for a physical shot of all the included components. Everything you need is right here. This kit replaces multiple part numbers, making it compatible with various Samsung dryer models. Check the provided list and images to ensure it fits your specific dryer. It's a convenient solution for your dryer repair needs. This kit addresses common dryer issues such as squeaking, not tumbling, or failure to start. Installation is easy, and you can find helpful videos online. Get your dryer back in working order with this kit. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us. We are committed to customer satisfaction and will respond within 12 hours. What we like. This kit emphasizes premium quality, with a focus on a thicker, more durable belt. The idler pulley features a unique triangular design for added stability. If you prioritize long-lasting performance and want a kit that's built to last, this is the one to choose. What people say. These parts worked perfectly in my Samsung DV45H7000 GWA2. Everything needed to get your dryer running smooth again. Exact fit on all the items, dryer is running like new again. Number 3. JACS Samsung Dryer Repair Kit. This kit comes with a 5-year replacement warranty. You can trust the quality of these parts and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Upgrade your Samsung dryer with this replacement kit. It includes a ball-bearing idler pulley and a dryer belt. These high-quality components meet OEM standards. This kit includes everything you need to fix common dryer issues. Whether it's the idler pulley or the belt, it will have your dryer running like new. The kit includes a dryer belt and a dryer pulley. It is compatible with most Samsung washer and dryer models. Each component replaces the original parts. These parts are compatible with a variety of Samsung dryer models. It fits both electric and steam dryers. It ensures a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. What we like. This kit offers a 5-year replacement guarantee, providing peace of mind. It includes premium, upgraded parts that meet OEM standards. If you value long-term reliability and want a kit backed by a strong warranty, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Belt length mirrors the original 5PH2337 belt off the machine. It is a 5-rib like the original, thickness is a bit more, and looking at the construction, it looks like they improved the belt's construction with better reinforcement. If replacing just the idler pulley, you can access this by removing the vent tube at the bottom back of the dryer and replacing the part through the hole. Number 2. LFORBB 5PH2337 Dryer Belt for Samsung. Is your dryer not tumbling or making noise? This replacement belt is the solution. It's designed to get your dryer working like new again. This dryer belt, model 6602-001655, is compatible with various Samsung and Whirlpool dryers. It's a versatile replacement part. This belt replaces part numbers like PS41333825, AP43736559, and more. It's a direct replacement for several common dryer belts. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer professional help, installing this belt is straightforward. You can easily replace the old one. Made with high-quality materials, this LFORBB dryer belt is built to last. It has undergone rigorous inspection to ensure durability and wear resistance, so you can use it with confidence. What we like. This belt is designed for an ideal fit across many models, including Samsung and Whirlpool dryers. It replaces multiple part numbers, simplifying your search. If you need a reliable belt replacement and value ease of installation, this is a great option. What people say. The belt for my Samsung dryer is over 2 years now. Good quality. It fits perfectly and works great. No issues. Installation was straightforward, thanks to some DIY YouTube videos, and the dryer now operates smoothly without any issues. Number 1. Samsung dryer belt and pulley parts. Is your dryer making strange noises or not drying clothes effectively? This kit includes upgraded parts to restore your dryer's performance. It's designed to be a reliable replacement for worn-out components. The kit includes a heavy-duty dryer belt and a dual-bearing idler pulley. These parts are built to last, ensuring your dryer runs smoothly. They are made of high-quality materials for durability. The dryer belt is twice as thick as the original, made of durable black rubber. It's designed to resist cracking and wear, providing long-lasting performance. It has been rigorously tested for reliability. This kit replaces multiple part numbers, including the idler pulley and the dryer belt. It's a cost-effective solution to get your dryer working like new. The parts are designed to meet or exceed OEM standards. The kit includes all the necessary parts for a complete repair. While not an OEM product, it is designed to fit and function perfectly. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This kit features an upgraded idler pulley and a belt that's twice as thick for increased durability. The manufacturer prioritizes customer satisfaction. If you're looking for a kit with enhanced components and a focus on customer support, consider this one. What people say. Worked just as it should. Belt did seem thicker as claimed than OEM, and the belt tensioner is a one-piece deal and the OEM was two-piece and failed, causing the problem to begin with. So great design so far. It's been in for 2 weeks and wife does laundry like a hotel, so I'd say it's a win for the buck. Worked perfectly. Fits perfectly in Samsung dryer. It's been 3 months, did not find any issue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.